my Vixens, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Valerie, and guys, this is like my, I gotta think here, my 5th video today, so bear with me, but I want to get some of these pre-recorded, so I got some stuff to upload to you guys when I go back to work. So, I am off work for a few days because of Labor Day, and I'm going to enjoy it. So, this is, yeah. I got an Empties video for you guys. I haven't done the Empties in a long time. I normally just don't think about it. I throw things away, but I've been saving some of my Empties so I can go over them with you. There are some, I do have some Sentsy, but I have all different kinds of stuff, guys. So, are you ready? Let's get into it. Okay, so I went through a Method Anti-Bac Toilet Cleaner. I like this toilet cleaner because it smells like mint, and I really think it does a good job. In fact, it's spearmint scented, and yeah, so you put it in your toilet and you let it sit there for like 5-10 minutes, and then you scrub it down, and it kills 99.9% of your household germs, cleans and disinfects, and I like it, and I love it, and I love the funny sayings they have on the back, like this says, I've officially met my match, Germ Buster. And so, yeah. So, Method Anti-Bac, I use that most of the time anymore. I do have some other ones that I use when I get, like, because I have really hard water. And even though I have soft water, I have a soft water softener and I use salt and everything, I still have really hard water. So, sometimes I have to use something that's more stronger on my toilets, but that's what I use normally in between those like deep cleanings. Okay. I went through last fall, this one on sale everywhere, and I loved it. I fell in love with it. This is limited edition Febreze Air Fresh Baked Vanilla. I hope they bring that back this year because I loved it. I used a whole bottle of it so far, and yeah, I really think this is an amazing scent. It's my favorite scent, so yeah, I use that up. I use this, like, I spray it on my curtains, I spray it on my couch, my chair, and I spray it on my carpets, and I just love this stuff. That's gone. Okay, I used up a Equate mouthwash, guys. Antiseptic mouth rinse, blue mint. I don't get really expensive stuff. And I like the stuff that's got the alcohol in it. That way I know it's getting in there and killing germs and all that stuff and giving me fresh breath as well. So I got rid of that one. Went through that. And will I repurchase those items that I've already talked about? Yes, I will repurchase all of them. Okay, I went through a Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Bluebell dish soap. Love this scent. This scent is wonderful. It reminds me of jammy time. There's got to be a note in here, or a couple notes, or something that is very similar to jammy time, but it's not like exact, but it does have a note in there that kind of reminds me of that, and I love this. This is beautiful. So I will be repurchasing more of this. I have not been able to find it in the stores. I think this might be, I don't know if they still have it or not, because I bought this a long time ago, but I am on a hunt. I will be hopefully finding this. I like Mrs. Meyer's dish soap because it does a really good job. I like Sentsy's too, but this one's good as well. So yes, repurchased. Alright guys, I finished off a pink Bath & Body Works Pink Pineapple Sunrise Gentle Foaming Hand Soap. Alright, I'm going to keep the container so when I get some soaps that aren't foaming, that I can make my own, because this is a foamer thing. So, even though it's gone, I'm not throwing it away, but I did really like this scent. I got this for free. I just had to place an order, and they had a deal that you got, place an order, you got this for free. So, that's what I did, and Pink Pineapple Sunrise, it was a good scent. I really liked it. So, if it comes back out next spring and summer, I will definitely be repurchasing some of that, So, there's that. That one goes over there because I'm keeping it. Okay, I went through a Downy Infusions Romantic White Tea and Peony. All right, I love this one, but it's getting to where I can't hardly find this anywhere. I think it's beautiful. And it really stays on my clothes really, really well. So I've got one backup to this in my laundry room. So I definitely will be babying that until I can find some more of this. I like to have a variety of stuff, of laundry stuff in my laundry room to use, because sometimes I like to use this stuff, sometimes I like to use my Sentsy stuff. I have slowly progressed moving over to doing Sentsy laundry, but I think I'm gonna still keep doing some of the Downy stuff because I do enjoy it. So that's that one. I went through that. Gotta get a drink. My throat's about out. My throat is about done, guys. Okay, I went through a Sentsy bathroom cleaner in Coastal Sunset. I love Coastal Sunset. I'm also going to keep this bottle because it is a foamer. You spray it and it foams. So I'm going to keep this bottle to reuse because I want to check out what it's like to use their all-purpose cleaner. And if it'll foam for me using this bottle. All right, so I'm going to check that out. But yeah, I love Coastal Sunset. It is really pretty scent. It's like sandalwood and coconut, and I'm not sure what else, but it's wonderful. I love it. I've loved it in the bar. I've got it in the dish soap. I've got it in the counter clean and the bathroom cleaner. I used it. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. I went through a washer whiff, guys. This is pink cotton washer whiffs. It smells really, really good when you open this up and smell it. It smells wonderful. It smells sweet and cottony, and I love it, berryish, but it just is not strong enough it's just not strong enough. I like a little bit more scent left on my clothes than what this provides. Jammy Time, I have Jammy Time scent. That one does really, really well. I can do mostly my bedding with that one, and I get in bed and I can smell that for like a week on my bedding. This one, I just had a hard time smelling it. I don't know why. So I'm not going to repurchase. I will repurchase the whiffs because I do like them, but I will not repurchase the pink cotton because it just didn't do it for me. So there's other scents I want to try too. So there's that. Also, okay, I got 3 bars here that I went through, guys. Wax bars. The first one's the lemon drizzle cake. A lot of people don't like this. I like this one. And it's got like lilac sugar and I don't know what all. I don't have the scent notes on this one. Sorry, guys. But I like this one. I like that lilac sugar note in there. It's kind of nice. I really do. So it was their Easter collection. You can see the little Easter bunnies on there. And this is in my club. It wasn't my monthly club. And I just took it out of my monthly club, but I also had it in my quarterly club. So I get 1 bar every 3 months with this. I've got 2 bars of it right now. I like it, so I'm going to keep it. I'm going to keep it for a while. I also went through a bar of Blue Grotto, which is also a really good scent. I love this one. In fact, I like this one so well. I now have a brick of it. This is fresh tropical notes, sweet citrus, lush botanicals, and it was scent of the month for March 2017. This is good. I like this. So I have a brick of this. I have this in a lot of cleaners too. I got all the all-purpose cleaner, the big one that's really concentrated. I've got this in dish soap. I've got this in bathroom cleaner, and I got this in counter clean. And I got a whole brick of this in wax too. So this is, and I got it in the fragrance flower. I got 2 fragrance flowers in this, and it's just a fabulous, fabulous, clean, fresh, sweet, good scent. I like it. And last but not least is Cotton Candy Clouds from Sensational. I went through a bar of that. The scent notes on this were sponge sugar, peach nectar, coconut, pink lady apple, lemon, and chiffon musk. This is a good, really, really good cotton candy scent. I love this scent. I think it's really, really amazing. So it says, give me some sugar. So this one I really, really enjoyed as well. And will I repurchase this? I already have. have. So I got a couple value packs of this now, guys. So yeah, that's it. That's it for my empties. So if you guys have any comments, leave them below. Are any of these products that you have tried, and if so, what have you thought of them? And were they repurchases for you, or were they not repurchases? So I'm going to get off of here, guys. My throat's giving out. Like I said, I've done too many videos today. So I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I don't know, it may not be the weekend by the time I get this uploaded, okay? So just saying. So you guys take care, all right? If you're new and you're not subscribed, please subscribe before you leave, and click the notification bell so you're notified of any of my new uploaded videos. And if you've already done all that, guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you and love you all so very much. Give me the thumbs up, and like, comment, subscribe, and share. Okay, guys? Do all those fun things, all right? And, yeah, be part of our family. So I will see you next time. I'll talk to you later.